Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 10 inches digital picture frame that I think that could be, personally, I think it could be a really nice gift for your parents, for example. Why? Because this one, you can actually send photos and videos, both things, on the go and onto the distance. You can actually be far away and send photos. You can send pictures. So I think it's a really nice gift in case that your parents want to kind of like keep up with your kids, with your sons, with your daughters, and things like that. And they can actually see things that you send them kind of like on live, like a live television, let's say. So you actually have the chance to send them your latest videos and everything, and they have that as a decoration in your house, on their house. Actually, I think that's actually a really good idea. But you can actually have this one in the comfort of your own house as a decoration as well. It comes with 32 gigabytes, and I think the quality is actually pretty nice and good. And this one, it comes with a touch screen, so you can actually scroll if you want. If you want to kind of like show pictures in a bigger screen than a phone, you can show them just by kind of like scrolling, and that's actually a nice thing too. It also comes with a sleep mode in case that you don't want to have kind of like the light that comes out of the frame at night. And also the other chance is you're gonna have this, as I was telling you before, on the go with the app, which is super easy. You're gonna have this. You're also gonna have the QR code right here on the actual box. You download the Frameo app, and let me show you how easy it is. So once that you download the app, it is super easy. You're just gonna pick photos and videos from your phone. You can just scroll them, select them, and then you send them to the actual digital frame, just like this. And you're gonna see that these ones are gonna be auto cycling, and it also has as you can see, it has the clock, it has the time, and it also has the temperature. So that's another nice thing. But as you can see over here, how easy it is with the touchscreen over here. This is the photo album of our foster cats. So you're gonna have the same effect with videos and photos, and you can send them on the go. And also with the 10-inch display, you have this really nice kind of like wooden feel that makes it to be a little bit more elegant and a little bit more stylish as well. I like it. Super easy to use with the app. 10 inches, nice quality picture and video quality, and the 32 gigabytes with the Wi-Fi connectivity and the app as well. Like it, I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.